So, to dual boot Windows and Linux in 2025, first back up your data. If Windows is already installed, shrink its partition using disk management to free space. Download a Linux distro like Ubuntu and create a bootable USB using tools like Rufus. Then restart your PC and boot from the USB. Change the boot order into BIOS if needed, and doing that by pressing F2 or delete while the PC is booting. Start Linux installation and choose install alongside Windows or something else to manually partition. Create a root, which is a slash, partition, and optionally a swap and home partition. Proceed with installation. After reboot, you'll see the GRUB bootloader letting you choose between Windows and Linux. If Windows was installed after Linux, you may need to repair GRUB using a live USB. Make sure the secure boot is disabled if your Linux distro requires it. This setup allows switching between operating systems at startup, letting you enjoy both environments on the machine. And that's it.